pouring them in here. So you must then get salt and
Salt and vinegar.
What are we using to flavor?
Salt and vinegar.
They're nice and crispy.
Okay, now is the sauce.
So I'm also going to make mushroom and cheese sauce.
Doesn't sound good.
Fish, green salad, mushroom and cheese sauce. You're gonna love it.
Hello guys, I'm pouring some vinegar.
Not now, there are no chips, Mustan. Wait. We have to put chips first.
Salt.
Ah.
Salt. Guys, come and tell you one thing about chips. Chips are supposed to be crispy, nice, not only soft and spicy. It's supposed to be crispy. You should taste the crisp melting in your mouth. It's good, guys. Now we're using a deep fryer and we're going to do some fish. We adding fish and cheese. We adding fish and cheese. Then for dessert, we're going to have malva pudding and custard. Then for the soup, I think what they call it, we're going to have mushroom
Sauce.
and
The
cheese.
sauce, not soup. The sauce.
Now my mom is pouring in the chips.
Then we're going to put away these ones.
But guys, when you do the ceremony, you better watch out. You must add
See, we can open up our own restaurant, right? Here in Hillbrook. How about that? How about our own restaurant here in Hillbrook? Careful, Zira, with the salt. Careful.
Yeah.
Emma, chicken
That's like you do.
Skytella.
Tomorrow
Not now.
you must remember the daughter. Ooh.
You say that.
Oh, whoa.
There you go.
It's a little whoa, it's still pouring. Tell us a rage.
Now guys, my mom's starting to make some, what's it called again?
White sauce.
White sauce.
Mushroom sauce with cheese.
So we're cutting and cutting and cutting.
We're not cutting, we're chopping.
What are we chopping, Nancy?
Chopping onion. This is, I'm sure this is the wrong way to do it. If you've been to the hotel school, you know you have to chop on a chopping board, not on your fingers. Just now I'll be chopping off my manicure. Do you understand that? I'll be chopping off my manicure just now, and it's not gonna be a good thing, alright? So you're gonna have white sauce with manicure in. A flavor of manicure in the white sauce. You're gonna love it.
Guys, don't worry, she's just joking.
We're not ready to just get out.
Whoop, Mama, I think they're starting to change color. This thing is happening bad. Okay. You can go now.
Right. Let's lower down the heat and let's have some butter for nice creamy taste. Butter.
Mama, Let me just do it, guys. Okay, now I think
That
they're
looks
okay.
nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Well done, Vitamin.
Thank you.
High five.
Bye.
Low five. What do we get?
What do you get there?
Chippy, 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 chippy.
Pepper there, Suzanne.
Okay. So, bang.
So you must always let your onion to burn a little bit. That burn thing gives it a nice, different bababom taste. Right. Take it from the pro chef.
Okay, let me pour.
Okay.
Mama, you can't say I'm a bit in front of
I
camera.
can. Why not? Why? So you should take captivity today. My first rule about cooking is keeping your kitchen clean. Your space should be clean. When visitors come into the house, they mustn't see what you are cooking. Only when you have put your food on the plate. But they must not see your kitchen mix up, nyaga nyaga, all things all over the show, the floor is dirty. No. No.
So, Njira, how long have you been cooking?
It's been going on. So desperate to put in some vinegar.
No.
Chips and nothing without
And
vinegar.
you're gonna go easy, Shem, on the vinegar. So there's some praise in there, but not that. If there's something which is not nice, we see by you. So let him taste.
Cooking in the kitchen. 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 Cooking in the kitchen.
Don't pasta to hold it in the middle and then it's a little break.
Tell me about the mushroom sauce.
The mushroom sauce is nice, it's yummy. Yeah, just it's white sauce and I put in mushroom and some cheese.
So are you happy with your job here?
Yeah, it looks good, nice and thick.
What is some few surprises that you're gonna put on this?
No, they're not surprising.
Mm.
Everything's the way you see it. Just like me. The way I am, that's what you get. You get what you see. Let's do some tasting. Ouch!
Mommy, can I?
Tastes good.
What do you think, too?
Actually, it tastes good.
What is the ingredients of the white sauce?
I'm hot. Butter, onions, for that flavor. Don't remember to burn it a little. Some seasoning, salt and pepper. And you can put anything you want to put after the base. So doing the basics of it like in a good way, in the right way. It's your flour, it's your milk, it's your onion. For flavoring, it's pepper, black pepper and salt. Then if you feel that you want to make some cheese sauce, you add some cheese. If you want to make some mushroom, you add some mushroom. If you want to use the sauce and do a cream spinach, then you can use the sauce for that. Right, or if you want to use it for chicken a la king, you can use that sauce as well.
What do you use on yours?
Oh, I'm gonna use mine for fish. So on the side, we're gonna put it on the side for fish. So it's gonna be fish sauce.
Thank you very much. Inom Production, Nyanzira in the kitchen. We are cooking in the kitchen. Cooking
in the kitchen.
Cooking
Yo,
in the kitchen.
Cooking
Cooking in the kitchen. are about to kill the story. Mianzira and Zira has prepared some awesome supper today. Zira, what do you think of your supper? Looks like somebody's worried. She's in her own little trip. Mianzira, how was the experience?
The experience was good. It was nice cooking with my frying pan, frying machine, frying. So we hope you're gonna enjoy the food. Thank you.
So this is the food. So tell me, go through about it. What do we have?